Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Desiree and this channel is your go-to channel for anything Japanese or Korean beauty, as well as vlogs to my trips to Japan where I show you all the good places to eat and the cool places to go. So be sure to subscribe so you miss any of my new videos. Alright, so for today's video, I thought I would share with you a new product from the company called Vanav, and it's a Korean brand, and it's their Cover and Clean Fit Electronic Cosmetic Brush, also known as the 3D Sonic Electric Makeup Brush. And I know that's a pretty long name, but simply put, it's just a electronic makeup brush for applying any of your base products like foundation or concealer. I'd like to quickly thank Desiree Beauty for providing me this product to do a demo on. They have an Amazon storefront in which they like to kind of curate their favorite Korean or Japanese beauty products, ranging from tools like this makeup brush to like makeup and skincare items. So this product here retails for $39.80, but if you have Amazon Prime, you can get free shipping. So in this video, I'm gonna quickly go over what you can kind of find in the packaging itself, how to use this product effectively, and kind of like my final thoughts of this electronic makeup brush compared to like blending your makeup manually. Inside the box, you'll find the Cover and Clean Fit main body, which is the electronic brush itself, along with the makeup brush, and also 2 sets of batteries, which is perfect because when this first set dies, you don't have to go and buy new batteries. Putting on the makeup brush is actually really easy. All you have to do is kind of twist it on and off, and you'll see on the device itself, it has like an unlock and lock arrow, so you know which way to twist it to detach or attach it. Power button is this orange button right here, and if you hit it once, it'll be the lowest vibration mode. If you hit it again, 2 beeps will sound, and it'll be the middle vibration level, and then if you hit it again, you'll hear 3 beeps, and it'll be the highest vibration level. If you hold the power button, it turns off the device. This goes without saying, but make sure you dab a suitable amount of foundation or any base product before you use the brush. And to blend out the foundation or base product, you want to make sure that you barely apply any pressure to the skin. So you just kind of want to feel the vibration of the brush rather than like rubbing the brush into your skin. And that's how you're gonna get that nice, flawless finish. So what I like to do is place the brush kind of inward and then move it outward and blend it that way. So again, my biggest recommendation using this product is using it lightly with the gentlest pressure that you can apply. For my other side of the face, I use the Multitasker Complexion Brush from Sephora. I picked this one because it had a similar type of flat top, kind of bristles, so I thought it would be the perfect comparison. All right, when comparing the 2 different sides, I feel like there's not like a huge difference between how the foundation looks. However, the manual blending with this Sephora brush did take a lot longer to make it look like the other side, so you do save a lot of time when using the electronic brush. The only thing about this electronic brush is that you can't really use it with more delicate areas like underneath your eye and then on my nose. I felt like even when this is like on the lowest vibration mode, it was still too tingly and it felt super uncomfortable on my nose. So that's when I feel like a brush would be a lot better to do that. It was also a lot easier with the brush to go through around the corners of my nose because this was a little bit more awkward. But when it comes to bigger canvas areas like your forehead or your cheek jaw area, this is a really great product, and because I can bring it all the way down to my neck and make it seem like my foundation is fully blended out. Overall, I think this brush is a pretty good investment. I think it's perfect for anyone who's in a hurry to get ready but kind of still wants that full coverage foundation, and they need to save time in blending that out, because that's one of the steps that takes the longest for me, is making sure my foundation is thoroughly blended and kind of really into my skin, making it kind of seem natural. All details about the Vanav brush will be in the description box below, along with links and additional information, prices, all of that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick review and how-to video of the Cover and Clean Fit Electronic Makeup Brush by Vanav. Let me know in the comment section if you are interested in this type of product, or if you've ever used like an electronic makeup brush before. Let me know your experience. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!